Hello, students. Welcome back to the virtual classroom. And I am here with the previous topic that I taught you in the video number 1 of English Grammar, chapter number 5, part 1. Now, this is part number 2. And some types were left, so I told you to explain in the next video. So, I am here with that. Okay, so here the next type is nouns, singular and plural. I'll tell you about the singular and plural nouns in this video. I'll explain thoroughly. So you all listen carefully. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, just like if I say a person, only a single person, I talk about a single person, single animal, one place or one thing, that will be a singular noun. If I explain about, if I say name one more than one person, if I name more than one animals, if I name more than too many places about and too many things, so that will be plural noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing, that is called a singular name. Very simple. Boy, cat, house and flower. A noun that names more than one, एक से ज़्यादा जब हम किसी को नाम किसी में जोड़ देते हैं, जस्ट लाइक मोर देन वन person, more than one animal, more than one place, more than one thing, that will be plural noun. Just like there is boy, one boy, so that is singular noun. Here boys, so that is plural. Cat, singular, cats, plural. House, singular, and houses, plural. Flower, singular, and flowers, plural. So I think you have got this, and then next I will explain in the detailed way. Add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, s, double s, x, and z to get their plural forms. Always remember the nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, s, x, and z to get their plural forms. जो इन suffixes से ख़त्म होते हैं nouns, उनमें हम ऐड करते हैं es, just like ostrich. Here you can see ch, so we will add es. Dish, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Princess, princesses. Fox, foxes. Quiz, quizzes. Sometimes some words ending in o take only s in its plural form. You have seen some words end up with o that take only s to make their plural. Just like piano, pianos. Ox, oxes, not oxen, not oxes. Do not write, never write oxes. ठीक है, ऑक्स का प्लूरल हमेशा ऑक्सन ही होता है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज इन दिस. Next is a noun that ends in a consonant followed by y. Change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. Example, city. Here you can see y. So we'll write cities, ies. We will remove y and we will enter here I. In place of y, we will write I and then add es to make it plural. Country. Here also remove y and then add I in place of y and add es to make it plural. Next is the noun that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural by simply by addition of s only. Monkey, monkeys. Key, keys. The words that get y, nouns that get y at the end, that will in those nouns we will add only s to make it plural. Next you can see plural of a noun that ends in f or fe. We replace the f or fe with ves. Always you have seen we write knife, knives. We remove fe and we write ves in place of fe. Here if only f is there, then also we'll remove f and we will write ves. So the nouns which end up f or fe, so we will replace the f and fe, and in place of f and f or fe we will write ves to make it plural. Next is, but few words do not follow the rule. But you can remember that few words are also there that those don't follow this rule. This is like sef. So we write here also f. Now you will get confused ki f is there. So in some words you will not follow the same rule. So here you can see chefs. I have written only as sefs. Next is some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. In this also you don't get confused, because some nouns don't get changed when they are in singular, when they are in plural also. They remain same in both the forms. Just like sheep, sheep, hare, hare, deer, deer. So you can see sheep is sheep in plural also. Here, here, dear, dear. Both are same in singular and plural form. So you can don't get confused and remember this what I'm telling here. Next is your next type is countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun have plural forms, just like a spoon, spoons. We can count them on fingers, just like a spoon, one spoon, two spoon, three spoon, four spoon, five spoons. We can make plural of them. Countable noun. Student is students. We can change them into plural. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. They remain same: snow, snows, floor, and floor. सो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन दे आर नॉट काउंटेड, हम उनको काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, दैट्स वाई दे आर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. जस्ट लाइक स्नो वी कैन नॉट काउंट स्नो, द लिक्विड फॉर्म्स वी कैन नॉट काउंट. Just like many things are there, oil is there, milk is there, that will be milk only, and that is uncountable. How can we count milk? So I think you all have understood the chapter noun and their type also, and you try to finish all the exercises. And in homework I will give you one question only, one or two question that you see in the next post, and you try to complete chapter 5 in this week only up to Saturday. So next week I'll start tenses. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and I hope you will understand the nouns and the previous chapter also that I have taught you. You will understand through my videos I am posting here for you people only. So stay home and stay safe, take care of your family also. Thank you.